In our trader rundown today, Tim Biggam of Options Insider joins me, and a lot of people want to know, is it time to get in or out of this market? What do you think?
I think a little of both. I think we're going to be range bound here, at least for the short term, given the fact we saw that big sell-off last week. Stocks seem to at least found mostly their footing here going forward. I think using the SPY, 240 to the upside, 230 to the downside. So I'm selling upside call spreads, downside put spreads, just looking for the market, especially pre-Memorial Day, to kind of flounder around here.
Are there any names in particular you think will be big traders this week?
You know, obviously earnings season starting to wind down. We're looking at some of the economic numbers coming out, but until Washington kind of goes off the headlines here, I think that will be the dominant thing. So I think the laundry list ready. I kind of like value names that pay a little bit of a yield here. The names like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble's of the world, those growth names that have gotten ahead of themselves, the Teslas and so forth, I think probably to be avoided here. So I think in kind of a sideways market, lean on those dividend yields more than on growth.
Tim, how much is the activity in Washington affecting how you're handling your portfolio right now? Is it at all?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, using, Washington to kind of get into some positions. I've been a little underweight in cash, so I like the fact that the market's selling off. And as a longer-term investor, you favor sell-offs because you can add your monthly kind of contribution at lower rates. You can get in, buy more stock for the same dollar amount. So sell-offs are to be welcome for long-term investors, certainly ones that kind of contribute month over month.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks,
Have a
Ange.
good trading day, Tim.
You too.